Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Global Technology. Today I'll show you how to make an amplifier using only one transistor. If you are a new viewer to my channel, be sure to subscribe this channel. And if you already done, then you are genius. Let's start. To make this amplifier circuit, first we need one-piece transistor. Its value 2sc2922. It is a n-pin transistor. It have 3 terminals. Terminal number 1, 2, 3. These 3 terminals have different names. 1 number base, 2 number collector, 3 number emitter. We need one-piece capacitor. Its value 220 microfarad, 25 volt. It have polarity terminals. Its white side negative and the other side positive. 1 kilo ohms resistor one piece and the 100k volume one piece. Now we connect 1 kilo ohms resistor with base and collector of this transistor. Now connect volume with emitter of transistor. Now we connect the capacitor with the circuit. Now connect capacitor negative leg with collector of transistor and connect capacitor positive leg with middle leg of volume. Now we connect audio input cable with the circuit. Now connect audio input ground cable with emitter of transistor and audio input L or R cable with empty leg of volume. Our audio input connection is complete now. To operate this amplifier circuit, we need power source. For power source, we are using DC 12 volt. Now we connect DC 12 volt positive cable with speaker. Now we connect on terminal of a blank cable with other terminal of speaker. Connect DC meter negative terminal with DC 12 volt negative cable and connect DC meter positive terminal with DC 12 volt positive cable. You can see we get 12.4 volt. Now connect DC 12 volt negative cable with emitter of transistor. You know that we connected a blank cable with the speaker. Now we connect that blank cable's other terminal with collector of transistor. Our connection is complete. Now we connect this transistor with heatsink. Our all connection is complete. Now we connect this audio cable with mobile. Now I play music. So friends, you can see how can I easily make this amplifier circuit. You can make this amplifier circuit at home easily. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.